Do you know there are two ways to write the sounds of speech? One simple, one super detailed.
Let's uncover the 6 key differences between broad and narrow transcription.
Broad transcription is also known as phonemic transcription.
Narrow transcription is also known as allophonic or phonetic transcription.
Broad transcription uses slashes.
Narrow transcription uses square brackets.
Broad transcription focuses meaning distinguishing sounds, phonemes.
Narrow transcription focuses detailed phonetic variations, allophones.
Broad transcription is less detailed, more general.
Narrow transcription is highly detailed and specific.
Broad transcription represents the basic sound structure of the words.
Narrow transcription captures the precise details of pronunciation.
Broad transcription is used in dictionaries and general pronunciation guides.
Narrow transcription is used in linguistic analysis, speech therapy and accent training.